going to focus on A.P and G.P, arithmetic progression and geometric progression problems. Earlier in my video, I have solved question based on, I've explained A.P and G.P, I've let you know what we call sequence, and while I've let you know what they call series. Now in this video, it's not going to be too long. We just focus on solving problems regarding A.P and G.P. So let's get it solved. How do we solve this kind of question? Okay, for question 1, I said if 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus equals to 2017, and also 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 over y squared plus 1 over y cubed equals plus ellipsis equals to 2019. Now find the value of x over y. How do I solve this? The first thing I will check very well is that, is this question, is it from AP or is it from GP? Now I will notice that it's not from GP. Why? Because I'm already having a ratio 1 over x, ordinary 1. That means this one here was 1 over x raised to power 0. Do you agree? Because anything raised to power 0 is the same thing as 1. Then 1 over 1, that's equals to 1. That means from that question above, I can say my A is equals to 1 without argument. That's the first term of the GP. And also my common ratio, which is equals to 1 over x, because I say 1 over x squared, that's x raised to power minus 2 divided by x raised to power minus 1. I'm going to have x raised to power minus 2, division change to minus 1, and that then equals to x raised to power minus 2 plus 1, and that's minus 1. So from here, if I say r equals to x raised to power minus 1, that means my common ratio r is the same thing as 1 over x. Now, is this correct? Let's check. If it does not correct, okay, listen, they said if I multiply 1 over x times 1, I must have second term. Do you remember that? First term is equals to T1. Second term, AR is equals to T2. Third term, AR square is equals to T3. And then the number of terms, that's nth term, is equals to AR raised to power n minus 1. Okay, that means from here, what I can actually say is that my common ratio is equals to 1 over r. Now from here, I can find anything I want to find. Okay, let's get this solved. Let's get this solved before time elapses. Okay, from here we could notice that this is my A and this is my R. Now plus ellipsis, which means plus some number is giving me 2007. That means this number is added up to infinity. So you can recall from GP earlier when I was doing GP, I said sum to infinity is equals to A over 1 minus R. I explained to us that 1 over infinity equals 0. So you can prove that from the sum of term. I don't want to waste our time. You can get this formula to solve that. And sum to infinity has been given. Let's say it is 2017. My A is also 1. Then my R is 1 over x. So from here I can get this solved easily. Now, how do I solve this? I can say my sum to infinity, which is equal to 2017, so 2017 equals to my A, which is 1, equals to 1 over, into brackets, 1 minus R, 1 minus R, 1, what's R? 1 over x, 1 over x. From here I can say 2017 equals to 1 over x times 1, x minus 1 over x, which is then equals to, this x will come up, that's x over x minus 1. Do you get that? So I can say 2017 equals to x over x minus 1. If I cross multiply, I can say x equals to 2017 into brackets x minus 1. Isn't it? Yes. So I can say x is then equals to 2017x minus 2017. That's if I open this bracket. From here, collect items. So if I collect items, I'm going to have, okay, bring this one here and bring this 2017. That means 2017 equals to 2017x minus x So that's 2017 equals to 2016 minus x. 2017x minus x, that's 2016x. Then divide by 2 by 2016 by 2016. Then we can say 2016 can do with 2016. So therefore, the value of x equals to 2017 divided by 2016. So we can stop there for x. Now, how do I find my y? This y here, this question is actually based on critical question, and you just have to think. Now to solve my y, you notice that y has the same series as x, 1 over x, 1 over y, 1 over x squared, 1 over y squared, 1 over x cubed, 1 over y cubed, plus parentheses equals to 2017, but here is now 2019. That means I can say similarly from here. Let me just take this away. So I can say similarly, so I won't solve too long. Y is related to x, which means I can say from here, they said, listen to it, they said x is 2017, which is the sum of everything, divided by the year before it, 2016. That means y also will be equals to the sum of everything, 2019, divided by the year before it, 2018. I don't think you get that. If you understand that, if you understand the previous cases that we did, you will see that x and y, they are related. The only thing that is different is what? Sum of everything. But if you want me to solve this, let's get it solved. So if I have this in this way, just keep it somewhere for me. This is the final answer for y. But if you want us to solve it, it is fine. Let's solve it. So how do I get this solved? I can say the same thing as y, as x now. I can say y, a equals to 1, and my common ratio equals to 1 over y. So using sum of term, I can say 2019 equals to 1 over 1 minus 1 over y. I hope you understand this. This is 1 over a minus this is a over 1 minus r, sum to infinity, and the infinity summation is 2019. So from here, you see that what I have here now is now related to this, but the equal to is now different. Now let's try to take this away, and then let's solve it together. So from here I can say my value of y can be the same thing as 2019 equals to 1 over, find the LCM of this, it's going to give you y in 1 is still y times 1, y minus, y can deal with this y, so y divided by y, that's 1 times 1, 1. So I can say 2019 equals to, this y will come up, y over y minus 1, cross multiply, then I have y equals to 2019 into brackets y minus 1, open this bracket, y equals to 2019 minus y equals to 2019 y minus 2019. Collect items, bring this y here, so I'm not going to have a negative value. Or if you like, I can still bring it here, that's y minus 2019 y equals minus 2019. From here, y minus 2019, well, that's minus 2018 y equals to minus 2019, isn't it? From here, minus can deal with minus, divided by 2018 by 2018. 2018 comes to 2018, then y is then equals to 2019 over 2018. The same value as what we have here, 2019 divided by 2018. Now, remember, that's not the question. Our aim is not to find x and y. Our aim is to find x divided by y. So how do I do that? You can bring the value of x and y in. That x divided by y is the same thing as x times 1 over y. Isn't so? Yes. So I can say, what's the value of x? X is 2017 over 2016. So I can say from here that x equals to 2017 divided by 2016 times 1 over y. It means I will interchange these guys here. So I'm going to have 2018 over 2019, and that's then equals to 2018 times 2017 2018 times 2017. That gives us 4,070,306. 4,000,000, that's 70,306 divided by 2016 times 2019. That gives us 40. Okay, it's still 70,304, and that's then equals, let's try to divide this. So I can say 4,070,306 divided by answer. I'm going to have 1.000000 to a point of 5, which means x over y is approximately equals to 1. Final answer. Which means this question 1 is not a question that is really hard like that. It's a simple question and we've solved it. We finished this. So let's move to question 2.